Okay, hello everyone. Here's unboxing my EVOS Platinum Series helmet. I got this on Amazon. It's a small white. Let's see what's inside. There's bubble wrap. And here's the helmet inside with a little bag for that. Okay. Here's the helmet. Okay. Very nice looking. Here's the front. Here's some instructions about cleaning the visor. And here's the side view. Looks great and feels great. Doesn't feel too cheap. And of course, it's DOT certified. Okay, inside you see instruction menu, and also completely clean soft cloth to clean the visor, and nothing else. That's it. Oh, the padding. Let me see the padding. It's pretty good. Okay, I will put a link below the video description so you guys can check out the helmet on Amazon. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.